Video's topic is femoral triangle. We'll see introduction, boundaries, floor, roof and contents of femoral triangle. Femoral triangle is a subfacial triangular space on the front of upper one-third of the thigh below the inguinal ligament. Its apex is downwards. Boundaries are lateral medial border of sartorius, medial border of adductor longus, base is inguinal ligament, apex meeting point of adductor longus and sartorius. Floor is muscular. Floor is formed by from lateral to medial iliacus, psoas major tendon, pectineus and adductor longus. Roof is formed by fascia lata. Contents are femoral artery and its branches, femoral vein and its branches, femoral nerve, deep inguinal lymph nodes, lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh, femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve, fibrofatty tissue.